If you want to stop your phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat or hide your Snapchat ID from people in your contact list, here is how to do it on your Android phone. Open the Snapchat app and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down and tap on mobile number. Here you will see an option that says let others find me using my mobile number. Toggle this off or uncheck it to stop people from finding your Snapchat through your phone number. Next, go back to the settings menu and scroll down to contact synchronizing or syncing. Tap on it and tap delete all contacts data to remove any synced contacts Snapchat has already stored. This will prevent Snapchat from using your phone's contact list to suggest friends or show your account to others who have your number saved. That's it. You have now hidden your Snapchat ID from your phone contacts and stopped them from finding your profile.